Okay, good day guys. Today we shall be analyzing a truss with pin support and roller support. Okay, so open your start plan for me. So come here, new, then give it a name you want, maybe a truss. Then choose the location where you want to save. You want to save it. Okay, metric. Then create your job. So okay, next thing I do is come here. I want it to be a truss model. So come to command file, change space to truss. Then save, Ctrl on your keyboard, save, then close it. Okay, so bring out your grid, then I'm putting on the front view. So from here we have every 2 meters. So from here to here, from A to E is 8 meters. So individually is 2 meters. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the height is also 2 meters. So 2 meters, then go again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So you press escape on your keyboard. You can turn off your grid. Okay. Then come here, select node cursor, highlight everything. Then go to geometry. Connect beam along y-axis. Okay. 5 members created. Next thing we have to do now is to add members here. So it's going in the direction F to B, G to C. So come here, add beam. While the other side is going in the other direction. Okay. So the next thing I do is support. So first case is pin support, second case is roller support. So I create pin support, create pinned, add, then create roller support, fixed boards. So I'm going to release moment in all direction except in FY. So release everything in all direction. Okay, add. So my pin support is at this corner and my roller support is at this corner. And the next thing I do is to give property, because we need to give a section modulus. So let me just pick any random section modulus for my truss. Let me give you a random section. Okay, let me just click the British. So assign to view. Okay. Then next thing I do is to assign loadings. So come in, add. So it's none. Add. Okay, close. So add. So I'm adding nodal load, and the loading here is 10 kilonewton on these 3 nodes. So I'm going to add 10 kilonewton on these 3 nodes. So minus 10 in the FY direction. Add. Sorry. So use cursor to assign. We have 1, 2, 3. So the next thing I do is to analyze. We're done already. Command analysis, define. So no print. Okay, all, add, close. Run analysis, yes. So what would take for us to analysis? Let's wait. Okay. Takes a little while for it to load. Okay. So 0 errors, 2 warnings, 2 no. So let's say our warnings. So go to output file. Okay, so members 15, and we have 2 members on the same spot. So we come here, utilities, beam tools, duplicate beam. Okay, merge. Okay, yes, merge. Okay, so run the analysis again. So this time we expect no warning at all. Okay, 0 error, 0 warning, 0 note. So we come to the post processing. Yeah, so okay, so let me bring up my reactions. So I have 15 kilonewton in my y direction. I have 15 kilonewton here. Same thing with it. This is the solution. We have 15 kilonewton and 15 kilonewton. So the next thing let's find the force on FCI. That is this FCI. This. So come here. So come to beam results. Then click this. We have minus 7.017. That's what we got. So the half points. So staad is taking negative as tension, while they are taking positive as tension. Yeah. Okay. So thank you for watching this tutorial video, and make sure you subscribe and like this video. Thank you.